Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product I received that well, I'm going to be showing it to you. It is like a kit for winter season and I think it's perfect, and I received it in the best moment because it's already winter, Christmas, so I think this product looks incredible. Really, if you can touch the inside part, wow, it's incredible. It's super soft. The pattern it has, like from winter season, like snow. I don't know, I like a lot this type of the hat. Okay, it's like this inside. Then we have the gloves, that they are these ones, and I see and I think and I know that it has 3 fingers. It has the touch screen. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it and then I'm going to try it. And then we have this scarf that it's really also incredible, and I like it because you can choose if you want the black size or the white size. Okay, so maybe depending on your outfit you have, for example, here I can put the black because I had black like my clothes, it's black and it's like this, or maybe you can put it in the white size that it goes like this. And well, I like it a lot. I'm going to put the, well, first the hat like this. Okay, and then I'm going to use the gloves and I'm going to show you if it works, the touch screen. Okay, here it's okay. Well, I'm going to show you with the numbers that they are smaller. Okay, it functions very well. And then I'm going to use the other one. Okay, yeah, so the gloves, they functions with these 3 fingers that I was telling you, that it has 3 touch screen. Okay, this is how it looks in the back part. The hat, my scarf, and the gloves. So I think, wow, I love it. I love the design it has. Okay, and I know that when I go to the snow with this one, I will be very incredible. Okay, you can put it like this, you can use it like this. Well, you can use it many ways, and this one also, but this one really you need to get it because it is super soft inside. I'm going to show you another time how it looks from this part. It's like super hot and I like it a lot, and I hope you like it.